this evening, what we want to make for you guys is to tell you that someone requests some chicken soup with dumpling. That's the menu for this evening. Anyway, I want you guys to just enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below. And this one is a really exciting recipe for the fans. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere, guys. It's just going to be amazing. So, thank you so much for watching the show. Got a lot more ideas, tips, and recipe coming your way. See you next time. Stay tuned. So, basically, I just make some Jamaican Caribbean dumpling. That's the dough. That's the dough. I got a lot of video on my YouTube channel telling you to make the dumpling, so I can always put a link below. This is some chicken which I cut up in curry style or broasted style. Let's cut up in very small. It's just a leg and thigh. Right over here I have some pumpkin. As you can see on my pumpkin, yellow. Yeah, I like my pumpkin really yellow. To give me a lovely color and a lovely flavor. So basically this is probably about 1.5 kilos of the pumpkin. Not a lot of pumpkin, probably about 2 pounds in Jamaica. That's it. In Jamaica we just a 2 pound on a scale, alright? And a pound of chicken. Alright? That'd be roughly 8 ounces each. So anyway, all you need to do is just get 2 pieces of chicken thigh, cut them up very small, piece of pumpkin, mix some dough, and we're gonna make a lovely chicken soup today with dumpling. Enjoy the recipe, guys. So yeah, I got a big pot, but not really like a massive pot because I'm not making too much chicken soup. Just gonna make a little bit. So basically, as you can see right here, what's going on, I got some water inside of the pot, just like this. Alright, soon start to boil. Not too much, as you can see right over there. So what we're going to do, we're going to put in a pumpkin. I cut up my pumpkin very small, remove the skin, cut it up very small. The next thing we're going to put in the chicken. These are very important ingredients to be in a pot. So these are the most important things which you want to put in first. Alright. Then cover back your pot like this and make it go on boil for about 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. So only thing here I want to say to you, you're gonna look like it wants to start to boil. Look at that. Alright. So basically it's going to boil now. All I want to do, I want to just put in my dumpling, and as you can see start boil already. So I'm gonna put in my dumpling and make them go on. You know what I mean? Make some nice dumpling, put in it. Soup dumpling. Yeah? This is the way you make a soup dumpling. So now is the dumpling in. So if you're at home and you want to make your dumpling, we have a lot of video on the YouTube channel that can tell you how to make Caribbean dumpling. Alright? Lovely and nice. Yeah, all I dumpling them in, as you can see. Yeah, looking lovely and nice. Yeah, soup dumpling, perfect. All right, cover it and make it go and boil. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut up some veg for it, like some carrot and pumpkin and some carrot and potato and other stuff. Nice and lovely, guys. So right here I'm just gonna explain what you're gonna use in the soup. I'll say something to you guys. You can use anything in your chicken soup at home. Alright? So I'm just cooking a little bit of soup, and you know what I mean. Anyway, I got some fresh garlic, thyme, Brazil potato, and this is some white potato from Jamaica, and this is some potato. This one is a sweet potato, and this one is just potato. This one is a scotch bonnet pepper, some white onion and some spring onion, and basically you can use your favorite food you like to use in your soup. If you want to put peas, if you want to put corn, if you want to put whatever you want to put it, breadfruit, banana, anything you can put in your chicken soup. Anyway, I'm gonna put all of these vegetables inside of the soup. So take a good look at what's going on over here in the meantime. In the meantime, this is what's happening in the meantime. Water boil. So if you say, alright, let's put in some white onion. That's the white onion. Alright? But we're going, let's put in all of the veg and don't get my fans them complicated because we are making chicken soup with dumpling. Nice. So exactly everything is right. You know we're gonna put in some potato, alright? That's the white potato. We're just gonna get everything in the soup. First time. We got the yellow potato too. That's one from Brazil, isn't it? We got the potato, also sweet potato, white potato. We have everything, pepper, you name it. This is some fresh garlic. So basically, as you can see, exactly what's going on right there, so. And as I say, you can put anything in your soup where you like to put. Mad thing are going in the kitchen today. Alright? Things looking good. Nice and lovely. So basically, oh sorry guys, I just put a little bit of chicken seasoning inside of it just to bring up the flavor of it. What I'm gonna wanna do, I wanna say I have one chicken flavor, which I'm gonna add to it just to bring in a little bit of flavor to this. Chicken flavor noodle soup mix. Alright, let's add this to it. Give it a mix, a whisk up because I don't want to get sticking at the pot. And as you can see, the soup start getting red up already and thing. Then we have cock soup flavor mix. Alright. Really good for you guys, seriously. Looking lovely already. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to add in some cock soup, cock flavor soup mix. Little bit at a time. Alright. You can mix it in some water first, but it's fine, you know what I mean? If you know what you're doing, you can just chuck it in it and just keep whisking it till the flavor just cook out in the water. I don't want to put too much salt and things like that because I don't know what I know. Then thing I have a whole lot of salt in it. I will be careful. Alright guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. I'm just gonna cover it, allow that to boil for about 15 minutes. Nice and lovely, so I just turned on it. It was just boiling out. If you turn it down, look there. Nice. Oh, good chicken soup with dumpling. Alright, what we want to do now, honestly guys, that's all I do now. I didn't do nothing else more than just put in the veg, allow it to make it boil down for a nice good 10-15 minutes until you see you get a little room and a little body, and that's it. So what we want to do now, we want to share it out and make you see how you look on a plate. Alright, scotch bonnet pepper this, you know, look there. Bone you up like a star. Anyway, turn it off, and that's it. I have a little body. That's what you want to get from it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna simply share some in one bowl to show my fans them how chicken soup look in the bowl. Yeah, enjoy it. Nice and lovely guys. Just wanna see how the chicken soup looking so lovely and nice and fantastic, as you can see with the dumpling, sweet potato, all kind of thing in it, chicken, with all the red pepper on top of it, looking lovely and nice. But anyway, Enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning to my cooking show. We got a lot more ideas and recipe coming your way. See you next time. Bye bye.